The Evelyn Alexander Wildlife Rescue Center animal-specific cages and rooms. Our baby bird feeding room. One of our 2 waterfowl pools outdoors. Our songbird aviary that consists of 4 small cages for different species, as well as 1 large flight cage for a small bird who wants to stretch his wings, like this lovely woodpecker who will be released later this week. Our mammal cages with the soft release window for raccoons and squirrels, baby possums on the left, grown squirrels on the right. That's Squirrely. He's blind. He's with us all the time. And Alan McButterpants, our resident groundhog. This is our RVS isolation area. 3 cages for juvenile and growing raccoons. All have been released as of this week, but these cages were filled to the brim. And here are 3 of the last ones to go, having a nice, refreshing afternoon in the pool. This is our raptor flight cage. It is a 40 by 60 cage with 4 internal cages. This allows us to put our large birds out there to be certain they can fly, as this one is showing us right before his release. Thank you for watching.